college is offering number of UG and PG programs. There are totally 23 departments in the college where we are offering. There are 10 UG programs and 10 the PG programs. The UG courses like BA, BSc, BCom, BHM, BBA, BBA Aviation, BCA, BHM and B.Sc-FAD and BCom Tourism. So all these the courses which are giving an opportunity to the needy students to get the graduation from the Parents University. And for the sake of the students who are graduating from our college and even from all the neighboring and Bangalore colleges, they are getting a good chance to have the post-graduation as well as they can also enroll for PhD in the commerce. We are having the 10 PG programs where we are running MSc Physics, Chemistry Inorganic and Chemistry Organic, MSc Mathematics, MSc Computer Science and MCom, MCA and MTTM, and even we have started MA with the English. So the college is always supporting the students and all the stakeholders to mold the students to make themselves or to mold themselves as the leaders of the future, the society of this India.